seventh graders. I'm here with my friend Sky, and we're going to talk about the next section of your summer math, which is write a decimal or write these percentages as a decimal. They want you to round to the nearest thousandths place. Thousandths. It's important that you see the TH there. And then down here it says write each as a percent. So we're given decimals and they want a percent. And then down here it says write each as a fraction. And they're decimals that they want as a fraction. So we're going to talk about these three topics in this video. I'm going to jump to this one right here, 50%. If I look, where is it? There we go, 50%. If I look at 50%, if I want that as a decimal, I know that that is going to be 0.50. Basically, you are moving your decimal over 2 place values so that the percent now to decimal is 0.5 or 5/10. We could also say 50 hundredths, because remember, if we're dealing with decimals, we don't have a oneths column. This first column is tenths, thousandths. I'm sounding silly on purpose because I want you to really hear that TH, tenths, hundredths. This would be the thousandths. Now, also when dealing with decimals, remember I could, if it's 5/10, I could add a 0 there. And is it still 5/10? Yes. Could I add another 0? Yep, that's a sloppy one, but yes. Could I add another one? I could add as many zeros as I want to. Am I changing the value of this 5? No, I am not changing the value. So technically, I can write 50% as 0.5, as in 5/10. And the fraction of that would be 5/10, because this is the tenths spot. Is that the is this the most simplified version of this fraction? No, 5 goes into both. And I get 1/2. So 50% turns to 0.5, 5/10 as a decimal. And as a fraction, 50% turns to 1/2 as a fraction.